Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Today I will be doing an acoustic cover of You Know What I Mean by Yacht Club. Let's go! Boosh. If my guitar cover of You Know What I Mean by Yacht Club disappointed you, I'm sure this won't. For the king! LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron, me sunshine. LeBron James. LeBron the GOAT. The Lakers in the 20s.